Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you don't know, my name is Madonna and I am a Sephora Squad member. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this radiant glass skin look that is going to leave your skin looking nice and healthy and glowy, perfect for the summer and also very easy that anyone can achieve. This is my skin bare face. My skin type is very dry, so it's very important for me to pick a primer that's going to keep my skin hydrated as well as keep my foundation on for a long period of time. The one I'm picking up today is actually the Milk Makeup's Hydro Gripping Primer. This primer is perfect for all skin types. It is meant to hydrate the skin, which is going to make your makeup last longer and sit smoothly on the skin. It has aloe vera, hyaluronic acid, and hemp-derived cannabis seed extract that's going to help smooth out any texture, hydrate the skin, and calm the skin, as well as blue agave extract that's going to give it that sticky texture. That way the foundation can stick and last longer. Next to foundation I'm going to be using is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation in the shade 300C. This is a medium coverage liquid foundation with a luminous natural finish. I love this foundation because as someone with dry skin, I want my skin to have this healthy glow, and that's what this gives me. Also, this foundation happens to be water resistant and long wearing, which is perfect for the summertime. Okay, so I'm looking a little ghostly. It's okay. We are going to warm up the skin soon, but first I need to conceal. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Milk Makeup Flex Concealer in the shade Medium. This concealer is a medium to full coverage concealer, and it calms and flexes with the skin because of the marshmallow root extract. This concealer is perfect for the summertime when you want like a really natural finish to the skin, and you can build up your coverage with the concealer. Okay, so now let's bring some warmth and color back into our skin by using a cream bronzer. And so for that, I'm going to go ahead and use the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Bronzer in the shade Macchiato. So I'm actually going to dig in first with a brush, and I'm using the Sephora Collection Pro Blush Brush number 99 so that I can place the product on my face in the areas that I need it to, and then I'll blend it out with my sponge. Now it's time for my most favorite part, and it's the cheeks. I love blush because it just gives me such a youthful look. And of course I'm going in with another cream product because today's look is all about that summer glass skin, that radiant look, that nice glow from within. So I'm going to go ahead and use another product from Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Blush in the shade Daiquiri Dip. So your fingers are actually the perfect tools to blend out this product. All you need is clean, sanitized hands. So let me do that now. I'm going to dip into your product with 2 fingers. Just a light tap because you don't need a lot of product. It's actually a very pigmented blush. And you're just going to tap it out onto your cheeks to give you a nice natural flush. Next, I'm going to set the areas on my face where I want a little bit of less shine. Don't get me wrong, I love a radiant, dewy skin, but there's just some areas that I just wanted to dim it down a little bit. I'm going to go in with the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder to set the areas on the face where I would really like just a little bit of less shine. The areas that I would like to set down would definitely be the middle of the forehead, under my eyes to set my concealer, and my chin, just so that I don't collect any oils throughout the day in those areas. To finish up this look, I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. So what I like to do is create like a 90s pout. So I like to go in with a darker lip liner, overline my lips just a little bit, and then go in with like a pinky nude lipstick. The lips I'm going in with Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in the shade Pillow Talk 3 Intense. And the lipstick I'll be using is also by Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution Lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk. This is the final look. I love how my skin turned out. I love the products that I'm using because they're all catered to radiant, dewy, that glass skin type of look. It just gives your skin just like this beautiful, healthy glow. So that is why I love these products, and I recommend you guys trying them out for yourself. You can find them on Sephora.com. I will also be leaving a link to them down below so that you are able to check them out for yourself and purchase them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Madonna MUA, as well as my YouTube page. I'm sure you guys will be able to follow me on there as well, which is the same name, Madonna MUA. Thank you so much, Sephora, for having me here, and I will see you guys on the next one.